Hi everyone, today we are going to do a bulletproof coffee which I take it every day, but a vegan version. So first you need a black coffee. So any black coffee of your choice, you can use the fresh beans, and for me I personally prefer the coffee from Nespresso, so that's what I do. So I like the strong intensity one. And by the way, this video is not sponsored by Nespresso, so don't worry about that. I like how the consistencies of the beans, the qualities, and the brew of the coffee. After you get your coffee done, next is we need a vegan butter. So what I use here is organic coconut butter, but you can use any brand that's convenient to you. The original Bulletproof Coffee is using milk cow's butter, which I swap it into a vegan butter. So you need a half of spoon for the vegan butter, depends on your flavor. So the next is you need the octane oil. They call it XCT oil, which is basically like a stronger version of the coconut oil. It's like a concentrate version of it. If you cannot get this, maybe you can use the cold press concentrated coconut oil, because sometimes I use coconut oil as well, so it will create the same effect. So basically butter will create the creaminess and the smoothness, the texture of the coffee, while the coconut oil will increase and enhance the flavor of the coffee. And next I will add in some chia seed. You can use any brand that you can get. I will add like a teaspoon of chia seed into it, because chia seed is super food for our brain as well. I love chia seed. After that, you just need to use a blender to blend everything. I have a NutriBullet in my house, which I think is very convenient and very fast to blend, especially like smoothie or things like this. So yep, As you can see, it's not even a minute and everything is done. When you open the cap, you can just smell, oh my god, the richness smells of the coconuts flavors and also the smells of coffee. Life is so good.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. You know, this is, excuse me, a damn fine cup of coffee. I've had, I can't tell you how many cups of coffee in my life, and this is one of the best.
There you go. This is the vegan Bulletproof Coffee. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channels, and see you on the next video.